everyone, my name is Tika. Today I am going to present my science on the model of the structure of a flower. A flower has four main parts. The plants that have flowers are called flowering plants. A flower is the most beautiful and important part of a flower. It helps in reproduction and formation of fruits and seeds. They are usually colorful and attractive. They attract insects for pollination. Each flower has different parts and every part performs a special function. Structure of a flower. A flower has four main parts. Number one, sepal. Sepal is the green leaf-like structure in the outermost circle of a flower. Is called sepal. The function of a sepal is to protect the initial stages. Number two, petals. The colorful parts of a flower is called petals. They are insects and birds for pollination. Now explain sorrow. Next part.
Third part, stamen. Stamen is the main part of flower. It has two parts, anther and filament. Anther produce pollen grains. Pistil is a female reproductive part of plant. It has three parts. It has three parts. Style, sigma, ovary. Ovary contains ovules, which development of seeds. Receptacle, the base of flower. All part of plant work together for reproduction. Conclusion: the flower.
अभी बताइए ये क्या होता है फिलामेंट? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय फिलामेंट?
सर फिलामेंट सर एक पार्ट होता है प्लांट का.
यस करेक्ट. हाँ, फ्लावर क्या करता है वो? गुड.
सर ये पार्ट है इसका फिलामेंट उसका सर वो इसका स्टेमिन का पार्ट है.
गवर्नमेंट में करूँगा.
My name is Zia. We are students of 6th class. Today we are presenting the model of animal cell. Do you know what is animal cell? It is a microscopic unit found in animals. It performs all life activities such as growth and respiration. It is usually has a round or variable shape. The different parts of animal cell. Let us discuss one by one. Shell memory, the outer covering of an animal cell. It is thin and flexible. It is enter and exit of substance. Second, cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance inside the cell. Its whole cell organelle. It is set of chemical reactions. Nucleus. It is a control center of the cell. Intact growth.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kritika. I read in 6th class. Today I am going to present model of plant cell. Do you know what is plant cell? Plant cell is a basic unit of life in plants. It performs all activities in plants. Parts of plant cell are. Let's discuss them one by one. First, cell wall. Outermost covering of the cell. It is made up of cells. It gives shade, support and protection. Second, cell membrane. Present inside the cell wall. It is thin and flexible. It controls entry and exit of substances. Third, nucleus. Control center of the cell. It contains genetic material. It also controls growth and activities of the cell. Fourth, vacuole. Vacuole stores water, food and waste. Fifth, plastid. It helps in making food.
Explain your part. Good.
Ribosomes. Ribosomes are very small structures which help in making protein. Second, endoplasmic reticulum. Help in transporting material inside the cell. Two types of ER, smooth ER, rough ER. 7. Logic apparatus. Help in packaging and distributes materials and others.
Very good. Good.